Welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss about NEET 2016 previous year question in physical chemistry under the topic of some basic concepts in chemistry. Let's see. There is only one question asked in this year. The question is, suppose the element X and Y combine to form two molecules XY2, X3Y2. When 0.1 mole of XY2, the weight of XY2 is 10 gram, and 0.05 mole of X3Y2, the weight of X3Y2 is 9 gram. The atomic weight of X and Y. Basically, they are asking the atomic weights. Here it is a molecule, here it is also a molecule. First of all, they didn't give any molecular weight. If we have molecular weight, then we subtract. We can, which means what, we can individually find atomic weight of X and atomic weight of Y. If we only find the molecular weight, so our first task is to find molecular weight. Okay, then we will see how the atomic weight is calculated from the molecular weight. There is one simple formula, which means number of moles is equal to given weight divided by molecular weight. Okay, there is a number of moles, right? Here it is 0.1 mole. Then weight for the molecule XY2, number of moles is 0.1. Given weight is 10 molecular weight. So the molecular weight is nothing but molecular weight goes here, 0.1 goes here. Then molecular weight, it is equal to 10 divided by 0.1. Then what is the answer? Okay, 10 divided by 0.1. Basically it is 100, right? Basically it is 100. Okay, this molecular weight. This molecular weight is nothing but XY2's molecular weight. That is 1x and 2y, right? That is a 1x plus 2y. These two combined to give molecular weight. Okay, then this molecular weight is assumed as 1x plus 2y, which is equal to 100. What is the unit? 100, because here it have a mole is nothing but per mole. Then per mole goes down, then gram. Then gram. Okay, it is nothing but a gram, because molecular weight is nothing but a gram per mole. Oh, sorry, mole is in the mole, not in a per mole. Mole is a mole. Here it is a mole. His mole goes here. Then in the denominator, in the numerator there is a gram. Denominator there is a mole. Then the final answer is gram per mole. Okay. Then this 100 we have the unit of gram per mole. X plus 2y equal to 100 gram per mole. This is for the case of XY2. Let's find X3Y2. The same way we can find it for X3Y2. This is the same way. The only difference is weight and the number of moles. That is only the difference. Okay, let's see. Then given weight is 9 gram. Okay, right. Molecular, which means number of moles is 0.05. Molecular weight, number of moles is 0. I have no space, so I am erasing, then and rewrite it. Okay, I am right here. 0.05 moles, 9 divided by molecular weight. If we solve this, we will get molecular weight equal to 9 divided by 0.05. 9 divided by 0.05 is nothing but 180. 180 gram per mole, right? The same unit. It contains mole as a unit. It contains gram as a unit. It goes denominator, so gram per mole. Okay. This molecular weight is basically X3Y2, right? Which means 3x plus 2y. 3 times of X atoms, 2 times of Y atoms combined to give one molecular weight, that is 180 gram per mole. Okay. Then how to write this? 3x plus 2y equal to 180 gram per mole. This is another statement or else another equation from the second molecule. Okay. If we solve these equation, x plus y is equal to some value, it is like a quadratic equation, right? For mathematics, it is a quadratic equation, just like a quadratic equation. Okay, let's solve this. We will find x or y. Then after we find x or y, anything. If I solve this for y, how to solve this? Because here it is a 2y, here it is a 2y. If I subtract these two, just 2y, 2y get cancelled. Then 3x minus 1x. So that is a 2x equal to 180, 100. Everything in the gram per mole unit. So there is a no unit conversion. Okay, there is a no unit conversion. Okay, just a minute. Okay, rewrite it. Gram per mole. Okay, difference is 80. So okay, the difference is 80. 100. Okay. Then 80 x is equal to 40. Okay, 40 gram per mole. This is the atomic weight of x alone. Then what about y? Take any relationship. I am taking this. This is I named as A. I named as B. I am taking the relationship A. In A, x is 40. I need to know. I need to know y. Then there is 100. If we minus 100 minus 40, we will get 60, right? Okay, then 2y is equal to 60. Then what about y? Divided by 2, y is equal to 30. Right. Just a minute. Y equal to 30. Right. From that relationship, I'm meaning this. Okay, just to solve this. Okay, 100 goes here, then the difference between 100 and 40 is 60. Then 2 goes here, then 30. Y equal to 30 gram per mole. Then x and y. X is 40, y is 30. Simple. It is very, very, very simple.